What makes Chester home to me is meeting up with my friend of 43 years. We've been friends for 43 years. I met her when she was 10 and I was 19. I taught her how to bake cookies and do all kinds of arts and crafts. So 43 years later, we're still friends. We walk down to the waterfront, and it's a nice, enjoyable walk. Once I get there, we sit up under the Commodore Barry Bridge that once wasn't there. It was the ferry taking you back and forth to Jersey. I can remember when that ferry, when my dad and I used to catch the ferry over to his brother's house, and his brother had a garden, a huge garden, and we would bring veggies back for the family and share it. And that's why I fell in love with eating raw vegetables, all the corn and string beans. They were the best at raws. So yeah, I remember that ferry. But now that we have the Commodore Barry Bridge, which was built in '74. So, and I can also remember in Chester that what makes Chester home to me is remembering when they first opened that bridge. They allowed us to walk across or run or bike across that bridge. We were allowed to do that for 1 month. It was very few who made it all the way across, but I can remember that. Many of us tried, but all we got, it was the longest bridge ever. So much fun though trying to make it over there. Yes, yes. So I can remember that, that makes Chester home. Good memories, good memories. Now where the ferry used to be, there's a dock where people come and dock their boats and go out on the waterfronts, have a lot of fun on the weekends. And weekdays, I see people walking and jogging and doing a lot of fun things down here on the waterfront. Once we get around, leave here, we walk around to this garden they put out. There's a beautiful garden, and when they harvest the garden, they feed the homeless, which I think is a great thing. And from there, we walk around. We see the team, our soccer team. How many places can say that they have a soccer stadium? Some days, good days, I get to see them out there practicing. But some days, we just walk past. We can go down and see them lifting weights in their gym, and it's a very enjoyable walk. We walk all the way down to Holland Avenue and come on back, and that's what makes Chester home to me. I really an enjoyable walk with a good friend.